sub $2 billion, and they've got a, call it an 8x GMV multiple. That's extremely high. They have very nice margins. A big part of that is the net 60 payment terms, but it's now the other value-added services and guarantees and flexibility that they provide to retailers. It's really an awesome model. Our number one B2B marketplace is Faire. Faire with an E has just announced they've raised $400 million in funding at over a $12 billion valuation. Wow. Great job for these folks. A lot of B2B marketplaces focus just on one vertical. Faire instead is focused on home decor, bath products, beauty products, jewelry, kids products, like all over the spectrum. We've talked a lot about their model with net 60 payment terms. That's why they're able to have a take rate on their GMV, which is why their valuation is so high. I've done videos on this before if you want to go look it up. I've interviewed the co-founder. We published an article interviewing the co-founder, which we published earlier this year, a deep dive into their model and how they've been able to command all this. But Faire now has over 300,000 retailers across North America and Europe, as well as 40,000 brands from over 80 countries on its platform. We are on track to do over $1 billion in GMV this year. So that's low compared to their valuation. $12 billion valuation, over $1 billion. I mean, if it was $4 or $5 billion, you'd think they wouldn't say over $1 billion, right? But even if it's sub $2 billion and they've got a, call it an 8x GMV multiple, that's extremely high, like very, very high. And it's attributed to the strength of their core transaction. Obviously, they have huge growth, but they have very nice margins. They're taking a nice take rate, and they're able to do that because a big part of that is the net 60 payment terms, but it's now the other value-added services and guarantees and flexibility that they provide to retailers. It's really an awesome model. It's why they were our number one. There's many other B2B marketplaces in our top, even in our top 10 ranking, that are doing way more GMV than Faire. But they were not the number one on our list because we were looking at the overall business model, the overall strength of the business model, the core transaction, the monetization, the stickiness, the ability to grow. And this is a great example why. I mean, this is now, you look at that ratio of GMV to valuation ratio, it's probably the strongest multiple, GMV multiple, out of any B2B marketplace, and for exactly these reasons. This is a very impressive fundraise. Really something that I think is a testament to the model, the strength of the team, and clearly a whole boatload of growth, which is great. Great to see. Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.